guys, I'm about to teach you how to eat some good old meat, because some of you guys do not know how to eat meat. There's teeth marks all over the dang on bone, and you got meat falling off of it. So I'm going to teach you how to eat some good old meat. Bon appetit. Now you got to have your supplies. Chicken. Oh, ouch. You got to have some hot sauce. And you got to have some paper towels. There it is. Now you gotta put it right here so you don't mess up your clothes. Right there. First of all, us beaners like that whoop-ass hot sauce. When we crossing the border, we gotta have that hot sauce. When we get caught by immigration, we need that hot sauce. Even when we selling drugs on the street, we need that hot sauce. We will eat anything with hot sauce, you name it. First of all, you uncap this head ass, this face of hot sauce, and you put it all over the chicken. Get it all over. You don't want one part of that chicken uncovered. Then you gotta eat this whole side. Just eat the whole side. That's a lot of chicken, boy.
You look disgusting.
More hot sauce. See that whole side. No meat. You wanna go? How the hell is it?
You're nasty.
That's too much meat, boy. You gotta eat this whole side right here. Yeah. You got this little knot up at the top. See that little knot up at the top? You got that little knot up at the top. You're just gonna bite it. Taste.
You're not eating. Ew. That's disgusting.
Then you gotta take the rest of the meat. You are recording. Yeah, no more meat.
It's all on the plate.
No more meat. That's how I do.
That's how he does. Look at all that meat on the plate.
Shut up. It's represented by hot sauce. That was